Yo, what up, everybody? I just watched this video called Cops and Judges Caught Using Secret Codes on Traffic Tickets. And in Broward County here in Florida, I guess a cop would pull you over, and if you gave him any shit, like, what the hell, this, if you had a bad attitude, he'd take his copy of the ticket he gave you and add an extra frowny face on the ticket. And then that ticket would go to the judge. The judge would look at the frowny face and know that you had a bad attitude. Now, and then I guess he would rule accordingly. If he didn't, if a judge got a ticket with a frowny face, the first thing he should do is tell the cop, unless they're working together, which couldn't happen in a free country, right? Unless they're working together, if a judge saw a frowny face, he'd ask the cop, what does this mean? And if the cop said it means he had a bad attitude, the judge would, a judge was supposed to say, well, you're not supposed to be putting this on the tickets. But again, everybody knows it's an open secret that they work together. So that brings me to my case. I got a speeding ticket and I went to court to fight it. And what's funny is every person that went up for a traffic ticket, not only did the judge ask the police officer that gave him the ticket if they had a bad attitude, just right there open in court, ask them if they had a bad attitude or a good attitude, which is completely irrelevant to the charge. The charge is speeding. It's not, the charge isn't even speeding. It's whatever speed they say you were going, they have to prove exactly that speed beyond a reasonable doubt. So attitude has nothing to do with how fast your car is going. It's a complete fraud. The cops and the judges work together. The judge acts as another thing is, the cop is the witness. The plaintiff is the state. The judge is supposed to be unbiased magistrate. And then most of the time, at least around here, there is no prosecuting attorney. So there's nobody to represent the plaintiff, which is the state. In order for there to even be a plaintiff, some kind of damages or something would have had to occur. So if you're speeding and you didn't hit anybody and you didn't damage nothing and no one was hurt, there really is no evidence that you caused damage to anybody. So it's all a fraud to begin with. So it shouldn't be surprising that stupid ass cops are putting frowny faces. Anyway, if you watch this video, I'm going to put this link in the description. I'm going to put the link of this video in the description. And you can see in one of the court cases, the defense attorney asked the judge to see a copy of their ticket. The judge hands it over. There's a frowny face on it. And right away, he's asking the cop, what's up with the frowny faces? And the cop spills the beans right there on camera and says, frowny face means bad attitude. Smiley face means good attitude. And and the trials that I've been to for myself, the judge would ask, do you have a job? He even asked me, do you work? Which is irrelevant. And I said, yeah, I work, and I'd like to keep my property that you're trying to take. Earlier in the trial, he threatened me with contempt for asking if there was a prosecuting attorney. So, again, the witness, which is the cop, was acting as the lawyer. If I said something the judge didn't like, he'd butt in their defense. It's so obvious that they work together, and this is just another example exposing corrupt judges, especially the traffic court judges, and corrupt police officers. So, thanks for watching. I'll put the link in the description. Take it easy.